Yes, I was just a little behind the scenes. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Eddie. Hope you all having a good day today. So right now I was just about to edit another video for you guys this morning when I decided now that the foundation is done, both brakes and suspension, I figured, hey, let's celebrate this milestone with a little fun project that I had in mind that highlights our journey on YouTube so far. Honestly, this restoration has been going so strong and my DIYs have helped so many and we just begun. So I have a question for you guys. At what episode or what part did you join this build? Comment below, it'll be interesting to know. And that goes without saying that if you are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. Welcome to my build / restoration, ultimately my 350z library. And hey, cheers to good times. So guys, just to set the expectation, the first minute and a half is gonna look something like this. Yes, it's going to be an IG story mode. As I wasn't going to record my journey to share online, it was mainly for friends and family members to update them. I'm sure you understand. But after that minute and a half, we go back to full screen. But it's crazy because most of y'all know I go to car meets, but having an online audience that appreciates your work and being able to help fellow enthusiasts like myself from a distance, whether through the comment section or just viewing my online videos, it has really been a blessing and a totally new experience for me, as honestly, I was never really one for social media, well, the content producing side, but here we are 21 episodes later. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this little piece that I put together, because even though it's short-lived, between you and I, it's been fun producing. And for my content creators, I'm sure you can relate. A video doesn't take no 2 hours to make between creation, editing, and so forth. It takes a lot more. It's still fun creating. But guys, enough chatting, let's roll the edit. I hope y'all enjoy my project, and how satisfying would it be if you smash that like button? And I'll see y'all in the video. Much love and blessings from your boy, and thank you again for the ongoing support. Here we go to day one. Bro, I just made a video on the max speed one. Guys, so we did it. Check this out. It is out and about. excited. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Wait till you guys see this.